Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have this set of 6 stamping polishes. I got these from beautybigbang. They were sent to me to review. As you can see, these are a set of 6. They are $17.99 on the website. The regular price $24.99, but they do have a sale for $17.99. So they come like this in this little package. This package is so cute. It's black and gold, and on the back of it, it has the ingredients, and then on the top it has the number of the polish. I am doing a voiceover only because it's summer and you know how that goes. The kids are home, the boys are home, and they're so loud, so I have no choice but to do a voiceover. So this one is number 4, and I'm gonna take it out of here, and it's a brown color. I am gonna stamp these polishes on black and white. I'm also gonna leave a coupon code on the top screen. Here are my swatches. I did half black, half white. And right here is gonna be the coupon code. I think, yeah, right here, and let's get started. I'm gonna leave y'all with the video. These stamp very nice. They are very pigmented. I always give my stamping polishes a good shake because sometimes they do separate in transit when they're getting to you, so you do want to shake your stamping polishes all the time. And you don't need this much stamping polish. I went all crazy with the stamping polish. I went a little heavy on all the swatches. I used a shitload of stamping polish, and you don't need that much. So like I said, these are 9 milliliters. They do have different sets, but I picked this one because it had a black one in it and I wanted to see the black stamping polish. This set has a blue, black, green, brown, yellow, and a red. And you could also buy these individually. I don't know exactly how much the prices are if you want to purchase them by themselves, but they also have sets of 3, and those are $10.99. They also offer them separately, and they are $3.59 each. So I'm gonna leave y'all with the videos. This is a red color. It looks kind of orange, but it's not. It's a red one. So I'm just gonna leave y'all with the videos, and like I said, these are good quality. I do recommend these. I like the way they stamped. They stamped beautifully. It was so easy to pick up. They didn't dry fast, and these didn't have a smell. Like I always mention about smell because it's so important to me, because when I was using the MDU ones, those smelled like paint, like real, I don't know, it just had a really ugly smell, and I would always get headaches when I used those, and these didn't have a smell at all. So I'm just gonna leave out with the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the little bell notification so you can get notified of my next video. I will have another video up sometime this week, and that's gonna be a nail video. I'm trying to alter my videos, review and then a nail video, because I have so many products to review. So I hope that's not a problem. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye.